So.
All right, so it is Sunday morning, September 3rd, around 10:50 a.m. We're going to start disassembling the front end of the red Solo. We'll start by removing as much as we can. My assistant is going to be helping me video record all this while we start to disassemble the front end. Alright, so first I have to remove these wire ties. These can be purchased anywhere at your local car place, but you gotta get these disconnected. Be careful not to cut the wire itself. Just cut the plastic. It's just zip ties. It applies to zip ties. Now these are the wires for the lights. There we go. So now we can run this hole here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece. Almost everything is 8 millimeters. Almost all these bolts are 8 millimeters. These are, everything is almost 8 millimeters. It's crazy. Let's see here, where are we? Okay, this one is underneath that. So I'll grab my wrench here. There we go. Once they're loose, you can almost take them off with your fingers. Well, okay, so anyways, this guy's in the way right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take him off. We're going to start by, now this is your compressor, this is your tank, and this is your booster. This is your brake assembly. So there shouldn't be any pressure in these lines. There shouldn't be any anyways. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect these hoses. I'll stand back a little bit just in case it lets out some air or something. Alright, so that one's off. There we go. So now we know where those go. We've recorded that. We know exactly where those go. Go ahead and stop the recording. I'm going to take some still pictures.